The next IIT JEE question that we are taking up was asked for 4 marks in the year 1990. So it says, show that 2 sin x plus 2 tan x greater than equal to 3x where x lies between 0 to pi by 2 such that 0 is included while pi by 2 is not. So it is a subjective question. Let's start with the proof because it says show that we have to go about the proof. Now what we have to prove, it is 2 sin x plus 2 tan x greater than equal to tan x. We are more comfortable finding dy by dx and doing it that way. So let's consider it as y and let y is equal to 2 sin x plus 2 tan x minus 3x. We have just taken it as y, one single entity y. Now what about y dash? My y dash would be what? It will be simply 2 cos x plus 2 secant square x minus 3, which is comfortable to find out. Now you see that in the 0 to pi by 2 interval, in my 0 to pi by 2, where my pi by 2 is not included while my 0 is included, I have what value? I have f dash x, which is nothing but as y dash as what? Is it greater than 0? Is it less than 0? Definitely you see I will be getting the value, since these are all positive, it will be greater than 0 only. But still, in order to check it for full, and still I have to not prove it as something for y, because minus 3x was not there, it should be greater than equal to 3x. So now I have to do some exercise with my brain. When I have x greater than equal to 0, because it is talking about greater than equal to 0, you see that it is talking about something positive. So the value of fx will be definitely greater than the value of f of 0, and that is where the answer lies. If you remember this thing, if you understand this thing and remember it for your examination, any question based on this will be easy for you. So now fx is what? It is nothing but 2 sin x plus 2 tan x minus 3x. So it is 2 sin x plus 2 tan x minus 3x should be greater than equal to f of 0. Put 0, 2 sin 0 is 0 plus 2 tan 0 is 0, and then here we are putting back basically in fx, so do not put here but here, minus 3 into 0 is minus 0. So 0, 0, 0 is all, so it is nothing but 2 sin x plus 2 tan x plus, or in fact minus 3x, not plus 3x, I'm sorry. Keep care of the sign, so it is minus 3x should be greater than equal to 0. Or in short, what you can do to the last step, all these are positive, keep it one side, and minus 3x to go to the other side, and it becomes greater than equal to 3x. And that is what we needed to prove. So I write here hence proved, and I know one simple thing, that definitely same question does not get repeated in IIT JEE, but similar concepts do come in a different manner. So we have to understand all the concepts, memorize the important formulas, and then you are ready for any kind of a battle.